Hello everyone, and thank you again for joining us at ABW's 2-Minute Kitchen. This is Executive Chef Chris, and today we're going to again demystify the culinary arts by showing you how easy it is to cook great food at home. So today we're going to be talking about some of the BlueStar appliances, but today we're making cheesecake in one of their electric convection ovens. BlueStar is really known for their high-powered gas ranges and cooktops and ovens, but now they have an electric convection oven that works great for baking. Well, I'm going to show you why we're going to use this BlueStar oven to cook a cheesecake today. So one of the things I love is that it's a French door, very easy to access. This oven cavity is so large that you can actually fit a commercial cookie sheet in here. But the really nice thing I like about this particular oven is that it has a baking stone, so you can use it for pizzas or any kind of breads that you like to do. If you're a serious cook, this is the oven for you. So keep this quiet. I'm going to tell you Chef Chris's secret technique for a good cheesecake. What we do is we turn the oven on to 325, and then after 15 minutes we cut it back to 225 for an hour and a half. And then you let it cool down in the oven for about 2.5 hours. That way you're not going to get any cracks in your cheesecake. As always, you can find the recipe for this on abwappliances.com. So for the crust, we're going to need a little bit of graham cracker, some butter, and a little bit of sugar. For the actual cheesecake itself, we're going to need 3 bricks of cream cheese, 3 eggs, a little bit of cornstarch, sour cream, sugar, vanilla, and lemon. Okay, so we have one already mixed, ready to go in the oven. Let's do this. So now we're just going to let it go at 325 for 15 minutes, like I said, and then we're going to cut it back to 225. All right, so it's been cooling down for about 2.5 hours. Wow, does that look some kind of good. To see how this turns out and the finishing touches we're going to put on this particular cheesecake, join us next time where we talk about the BlueStar refrigerator and other great features that BlueStar has to offer. Signing out, this is ABW's Chef Chris, and you can always contact us on abwappliances.com. See you next time.